Simunye, we are one. Tibos again, Tirivangwe. We are one. The soul remembers the blood we've shed. Don't let the living walk over the dead. Africa, why are you burning our own skin? How can we win the war if the battle is within? From Limpopo to the Cape Shore, we share the same soil. From Cape to Cairo, it's easy to blame the migrant for the lack of jobs, while the suits in the high towers continue to peck and rope. The anchor is real, but the target is wrong. We've traded our Ubuntu for a bitter broken song. Don't ask for passports before you show some grace. Look past the accent, look at the oxygen in his face. He played a heavy fire just to land in your flame, calling him a stranger when you share the same name. From Limpopo to the Cape Shore, we share the same soil. From Cape to Cairo, the borders are lines drawn in European ink, but we bleed the same blood. Why can't you stop and think? You forget the back doors that neighboring houses unlock for you. When the regime was hunting, apartheid was just something. Zimbabwe gave you shelter, Lagos gave you stage, Maputo shared the bread when you were locked in the cage. Africa, why are you burning our own skin? How can we win the war if the battle is within? From Limpopo to the Cape Shore, we share the same soil. From Cape to Cairo, it's easy to blame the migrant for the lack of jobs, while the suits in the high towers continue to peck and rope. The anchor is real, but the target is wrong. We've traded our Ubuntu for a bitter broken song. Don't ask for passports before you show some grace. Look past the accent, look at the oxygen in his face. He played a heavy fire just to land in your flame, calling him a stranger when you share the same name. From Limpopo to the Cape Shore, we share the same soil. From Cape to Cairo, Ayo Tudoor, ayo much, put down the matchstick, put down the stone. No person on this continent is walking alone. Let the music heal whatever anger tore you apart. South Africa, open up your heart. Open up your heart.